Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by locking down the basics. Secure 3 to 6 months of emergency cash and eliminate high-interest debt so index returns aren't eaten by payments. Once done, open a low-cost brokerage and use tax-advantaged accounts first, then taxable. Make an initial deposit and set automated contributions, dollar or percent, to run on payday. Choose broad, low-fee index funds and decide a simple asset allocation aligned with your time horizon and risk tolerance. You now focus on execution. Keep contributing regularly with dollar-cost averaging to remove timing pressure. Make sure expense ratios are tiny. Small differences compound into big gains. Once your allocation is set, rebalance on a schedule, yearly or when any class drifts more than 5%, so you're buying low and selling high by design. Also use tax-advantaged wrappers first. Harvest losses in taxable accounts only when it improves tax efficiency, and avoid frequent tinkering. You finish by committing to discipline. Raise your savings rate as income grows and let compounding work over decades. When it's time to use money, have simple withdrawal rules, tax-efficient sequencing across accounts, and a 3-5-year cash buffer for near-term needs. Make annual checkups but avoid behavior that undermines long-term returns. If market drops trigger panic, pause, reassess your allocation, and if still aligned, buy more at lower prices. That single move fixes more mistakes than timing ever will.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.